What is transportation management? Welcome back to our Supply Chain 101 series, where we're breaking down the complex world of supply chain management into bite-sized pieces. In today's video, we're diving into the topic of transportation management. If you've ever wondered how products get from one place to another, on time, in good shape, and at the right cost, then stick around because we're covering all of that and more. First, let's discuss the transportation management basics. Transportation management is all about planning, executing, and optimizing the movement of goods. Think about all the steps required to get your online order from a warehouse in another state or country all the way to your doorstep. There's route planning, carrier selection, scheduling, risk assessment, and so much more. In simpler terms, transportation management ensures the right products are moved by the right carriers, at the right time, and at the right cost. Why should you care about transportation management? Let's look at 3 reasons. Number 1, efficiency. By optimizing routes and consolidating shipments, businesses can reduce transit times and minimize wasted resources. Number 2, cost savings. Transportation can be one of the biggest expenses in supply chain. Smart management leads to lower shipping costs and can save a company a lot of money. Number 3, customer satisfaction. Fast and reliable shipping keeps customers happy and coming back for more. So it is important for any business to have returned customers. Key players and processes. Let's discuss a few major components and players in transportation management, which include shippers. These are the companies or individuals responsible for sending goods. They could be manufacturers, wholesalers, retailers, or even individual businesses managing their inventory. The shipper initiates the transportation process by identifying what needs to be shipped, the destination, and the required timelines. Carriers. Carriers are the companies responsible for the physical movement of goods. They include trucking companies, railroads, shipping lines, freight airlines, and even last-mile delivery services like FedEx or UPS. Selecting the right carrier depends on factors like speed, cost, and reliability. Receivers. These are the end customers who receive the goods. They could be consumers ordering products online or retail stores restocking their shelves. The ultimate goal of transportation management is to ensure the receiver gets their goods on time and in perfect condition. 3PLs, third-party logistics providers. These companies manage transportation on behalf of businesses. They act as intermediaries, providing services like freight forwarding, warehousing, and even customs brokerage. Many small to medium-sized businesses rely on 3PLs to handle logistics efficiently without investing in their own equipment. Transportation Management Systems (TMS). A TMS is the brain of transportation management. It's a software solution that helps businesses plan, execute, and track shipments. A good TMS can recommend optimal routes, consolidate shipments to save costs, track shipments in real time, and even provide analytics to improve future performance. Key processes. Now let's talk about the key processes involved. Freight planning. This involves determining the best routes and modes of transport, whether goods should travel by truck, rail, air, or sea. It also includes optimizing loads to make the most efficient use of space and resources. Carrier selection. With so many carriers available, businesses need to carefully evaluate which one aligns best with their needs. This means looking at costs, reliability, transit times, and even sustainability initiatives. Execution. Once the shipment is planned, the next step is execution. This involves scheduling pickups, preparing documents like bills of lading, and ensuring the carrier gets the goods to the right destination. Tracking and visibility. In today's world, real-time tracking is a must. Customers and businesses alike want to know where their shipments are at all times. TMS systems provide live updates on shipment status, helping companies react quickly to delays or disruptions. Performance analysis. After the goods have been delivered, companies review the entire transportation process. Metrics like on-time delivery rates, freight costs, and damage claims are analyzed to identify areas for improvement. Together, these players and processes form the backbone of transportation management. It's not just about getting products from point A to point B. It's about doing so in a way that balances cost, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Let's walk through a real-world example of an end-to-end transportation management process from a manufacturer to a customer's doorstep. Imagine you're running a company called Fast Lane Fashion, an online fashion retailer based in New York. A customer in Los Angeles places an order for 3 jackets. Step 1. Order processing and freight planning. The retailer's transportation management system TMS instantly checks inventory and determines that the closest warehouse fulfilling West Coast orders is in Dallas, Texas. The TMS analyzes the best shipping options, considering cost, speed, and carrier availability, and selects a trucking carrier to transport the goods from Dallas to Los Angeles. Since there are other orders being shipped to the same region, the TMS consolidates multiple shipments into a full truckload FTL to save costs. Step 2. Carrier selection and shipment execution. Once the shipping plan is finalized, a bill of lading and necessary shipping documents are generated automatically. The trucking company receives an electronic pickup request and schedules a driver. The carrier picks up the shipment from the warehouse and starts the journey to Los Angeles. Step 3. Real-time tracking and visibility. During transit, the TMS tracks the shipment via GPS and updates Fast Lane Fashion's logistics team and the customer with real-time status. Unexpected delay. No problem. The system detects a storm in Arizona and reroutes the truck to avoid major roadblocks. The customer receives automated notifications via SMS and email, keeping them informed about estimated arrival times. Step 4. Last mile delivery. Once the shipment arrives at a regional distribution center in Los Angeles, the jackets are sorted and handed off to a local last mile delivery partner like FedEx, UPS, or a same-day courier. The delivery partner ensures the package reaches the customer's doorstep within the promised shipping timeframe. Step 5. Delivery confirmation and performance analysis. After delivery, the customer receives their jackets and a digital proof of delivery pod is recorded in the TMS system. The TMS collects performance data, on-time delivery rate, shipping costs, and carrier efficiency to help Fast Lane Fashion optimize future shipments. And that's a wrap on what is transportation management. We've explored what it is, why it matters, and how it works. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Next time, we'll tackle another key piece of the supply chain puzzle, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.